Yes, this is last topic, last problem in sphere. So, first of all, we know that in sphere, what topics we can discuss. Already we are discussed. Number one is when the center and radius is given, we can find the equation of the sphere by using the formula x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. By that formula, we can find the equation of the sphere where center is x1 y1 z1 and radius is r. In sometimes sphere is given, sphere equation is given normal form. Actually sphere equation is, there are some conditions x square y square z square coefficients are same and xy yz zx terms are absent and it must be a second degree equation. That is this conditions for sphere. So finally got the equation of sphere. From sphere we write the radius and center. What is the formula to find the center? That is minus u minus v and minus w, and radius is under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. This is radius. Radius center is given, we find the equation of the sphere. If that is given, sphere is given, we find the center and radius, and center radius is given, we find the equation of the sphere. So finally we got it, how to find the sphere equation, whatever it may be. So the next topic is, if 4 points given, passing through that 4 points we can find the equation of the sphere. So that is in the equation of general equation of the sphere, that is the unknowns are u, v, w and d. There are 4 unknowns. 4 unknowns means there are 4 conditions must be there. The 4 conditions means 4 points is given. For that 4 points, we substitute 4 points in the given equation. In u, v, w, d we got 4 equations. We solve the 4 equations, we get u, v, w and d values and substitute in the normal form. So for the sphere equation we can find like this. Another one is the equations, one plane intersects the sphere. Suppose one plane intersects the sphere, that part is called circle. Which part? The intersecting part of the plane and sphere is called circle of the circle. Circle means sphere equation and plane equation together is called circle. From that some problems is already solved by that equations. Then we come to another topics, that is polar. And what is tangent plane? Tangent plane, the equation of tangent plane is x1 y1 plus z1 plus u of x plus x1 plus v of y plus y1 plus w of z plus z1 plus d is equal to 0. That is the equation of the tangent plane. We find the poles of the equation, sphere equation. We can easily find what is the conjugate points, conjugate lines. Like this we are completed the and what is a tangent plane? Tangent plane means, suppose a plane touches the sphere, then we can find then at one single point, that is called point of contact, and the sphere, the tangent is called tangent, the plane is called tangent plane. So the equation of the, you see one example here, the equation of the sphere with centers at 2 minus 2 3 minus 4 and touching the plane 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0. You see the equation of the sphere with center ఇచ్చాడు మనకి ఇక్కడ. వాట్ ఇస్ సెంటర్? దట్ ఈస్ 2 3 కామా మైనస్ 4 ఇస్ ది సెంటర్. అండ్ టచింగ్ ది ప్లేన్, మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తుంది, అది ఒక ప్లేన్ను టచ్ చేస్తుంది. అటువంటి ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. హౌ center is given means if we have radius, then we can easily find the equation of the sphere by using the formula x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. ఆ ఫార్ములా నుండి కనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో ఫర్ ది స్పియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ we having center and radius. So and here center is given, and for radius plane touches the sphere, means perpendicular distance from center to plane is called radius of the sphere. Therefore perpendicular distance from 2 3 minus 4 to 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0. Distance are many times. 2-point distance is called distance between 2 points, and one point and one plane is given. The distance between the distance is called, that is perpendicular distance. Here you find the perpendicular distance from 2 3 minus 4 to 2x plus 6y minus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0. 2 into 2 minus 6 plus 6 into 3 minus 3 into minus 4 plus 15 by under root of 4 plus 36 plus 9, that is 49. 49 by 7. 7 7s are 49. We got 7. Equation of the sphere is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square plus z minus z1 whole square is equal to r square. That is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z plus 4 whole square is equal to 7 square. Means x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 6y plus 8z minus 20 is equal to 0. By using the formula center and radius. And here we can also find the, in last classes, limiting points, conjugate points, conjugate planes, like that. These are very important topics in this sphere. We can find the, you see here, technique is clearly they did not give like that. This is center is given clearly. For radius he says that touches the sphere. We know what is the mean of touches for touch the sphere. One plane touches the sphere, then what can we do, what happening? So that is the perpendicular distance from center to that sphere is called what? That is called radius of the sphere. That's why we find the radius, and center is given. By that too we find the equation of the sphere. So find the equation of the sphere through the origin and making intercepts A, B, C on coordinate axis. Now coordinate axis means this is the sphere. In sphere there is 3 coordinates. because this is three-dimensional geometry. In three dimensions, there are three axes: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. That's why passing through the origin means that point is 0, 0, 0, 1 point, and intercepts ABC means x intercept is A, y intercept B, and z intercept C. So that is A 0, 0, 0 B 0, and 0, 0 C. These three are the intercepts of x, y, and z. So the total points 0, 0, 0, A 0, 0, 0 B 0, and 0, 0 C. Required sphere equation is here: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. So 0, 0, 0 belongs to 1 means that point is on first equation, means d is equal to 0, because wherever the equations passing through the origin, then the constant term is 0, d is equal to 0. So a 0, 0 is another equation, because x intercept is a here, means a 0, 0, 0 belongs to a, that belongs to 1 means a square plus 2ua is equal to 0. A plus 2u is equal, suppose a is common, a plus 2u is equal to 0. 2u is equal to minus a, and 0 b 0, that is b square plus 2vb is equal to 0. 2v is equal to minus b. 0, 0 c belongs to 1 means c square plus 2wc is equal to 0. 2w is equal to minus c. Therefore, required equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. Suppose 0, 0 c means that is c square plus 2wc is equal to 0, is 2w is equal to minus c. Now here we get the values: 2u value, 2v, 2w, and d. Just we substitute these value in the common equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0. So this is the formula, this is the problem, how to find the equation of the sphere when its intercepts are a 0, a b c for x axis, y axis, and z axis respectively. So a square plus 2ua plus, like that we find the equation of the sphere, and we conclude this problem. So finally, in this sphere, I talk about 40 pages in 11 lectures, 12 lectures. So in these 12 lectures, complete sphere is covered. If you follow all the problems by using these topics, you completely cover the spheres in 6th paper of the mathematics. So in 6th paper of the mathematics, we show that what are the equations of the sphere, how to find this equation of the sphere, what is circle equation, what is the center of the circle, what is center of the radius, center of the sphere, what is the radius of the sphere, Like that we can use our knowledge. We can also find the problems in starting to ending. So in this way, if you have any problems, you can find the notes also. If you first of all you write the notes 40 pages and complete the spheres of in if suppose you prepared spheres, definitely you got more than 30-40% of the syllabus. In this in affiliated Shatavana University, there is a 60 marks paper is there for spheres. 60 marks paper means spheres, that is uh, 60 marks for external and 20 marks for internal papers. External you got 60 marks. In 60 marks you can find the in first unit there is two long questions. Is a long question means it have 15 marks like that. If you prepare properly this chapter, definitely you got passing marks, minimum passing marks, maximum 50% of the paper. So we don't know how the in future what are the problems, how to face the problem for COVID-19. So we are mentally prepared that there is there are many classes, online classes is there. That's why you complete the online topics, spheres, in these 11 lectures. You write the first of all you write the 40 pages notes, and every day you prepare some questions. And in the topic spheres, another one is there. Next is the topics cones is related, that cones and what cones, cylinders and conicoid is there. So in that chapters, this is the basics for the spheres is the basics for the topic. So completely we completely, if you thoroughly the chapter spheres, you can easily pass in the sixth paper of the mathematics. In this paper, why we start this sphere means this is touches with the intermediate level. In intermediate, there is the topic is there what, that is in intermediate level the in the circles is there. The basic of the spheres is circles. Circle is in 2 dimension and sphere is in 3 dimension. So by this one, these problems and more problems is there. I will give some homework also in middle classes. You can do it. Otherwise these problems, this is what can teach in your classes, that is belongs to your topics only. uh, that is PK Mittal book. The book name is PK Mittal, and that is S. Chan and PK Mittal. So if you prepare it from that book, you can solve the problems without any deviations. So if in this in more problems for this spheres, this is more than enough for the degree level. So this 40 pages means not more. 40 pages, at least we have 30 problems is there, 30 and more than 30 problems. If you prepare all this, you definitely you complete the spheres and sixth paper also. So finally we complete this one. by 11 to 12 lectures. So I think you are you are facing some problems in future also by using these classes in network. Nothing happen like that. So but you must prepare by like you must prepare for this one online classes means you take YouTube class and join it. Okay, thank you.